Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this unknown package that my wife got. So she didn't tell me what she got, so anyway, we're just gonna go along with it and see what's inside here. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Walmart. Anyway, let's go and check it out. Seal. Fruit of the room. Looks like a pajama set. So these two are the size large. Made in China. Both of them are size large. Go ahead and check it out. So this one is the pants with the drawstring. It's a button right here on the front, only single button. It's pretty soft. There's a pretty deep pocket. So there's a left and right hand pocket. What? So both of them are the pajama pants. Just different pattern and colors. There's a button here again. And left and right hand pockets. And this one is the same. So anyway, it's just a quick unboxing. So she's probably got this for the pre-Black Friday sale maybe, and then get ready for the holiday season. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one like always. Peace.